Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Lux Insider, your luxurious escape from the ordinary. Ah, luxury, the taste of gourmet food, the feel of cashmere, the scent of high-end fragrances. We all love the good life, but let's be real, living luxuriously can often sound like a distant dream for our wallets. Well, not today. Today we're delving into 10 sumptuous tips for enjoying an opulent lifestyle without maxing out your credit cards. You heard me right. Quality, comfort and yes, even a touch of decadence, all on a budget. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell and let's unwrap the secrets to affordable luxury together. Let's kick things off with tip number 1. Prioritize skincare. Ever seen those fancy $300 serums and thought, that's half my rent? Here's the deal. Looking radiant doesn't require going bankrupt. Turn your attention to the ingredient list. If it's got hyaluronic acid, retinol or vitamin C, you're on the right track. Quality doesn't always wear a designer label. In skincare, it's ingredients that do the heavy lifting. Remember, a consistent, intelligent skincare routine can make you feel and look like $1,000,000 every single day. Next up, tip number 2. Thrift like a pro. Before you roll your eyes, hear me out. Thrift stores and vintage shops can be your treasure chests. You just need to know how to dig. Go for timeless pieces, classic cuts and high quality fabric. Cashmere sweaters, silk scarves, even designer labels can often be unearthed if you have the patience to hunt. The trick is to visit often and keep an open mind. Also, don't shy away from a little DIY. Sometimes a small alteration can transform a thrifted item into a bespoke masterpiece. Tip number 3, a personal favorite. Master DIY home decor. Your home should be your palace, regardless of its size or location. And guess what? Your creative touch is the best designer there is. Browse through Pinterest, watch some tutorials and let your imagination run wild. Make your own plush throw pillows from discounted fabric. Create scented candles in elegant jars or upcycle furniture with a lick of paint. You can even frame high-quality prints of your own artwork to glamp up your walls. Moving on to tip number 4. Invest in statement pieces. Fast fashion may be quick and cheap, but it rarely feels luxurious. Instead, channel your fashion budget into acquiring a few high-quality items. A designer handbag, a pair of Italian leather shoes, or a Swiss watch can instantly elevate your look. And here's the thing, quality lasts. These items are not just purchases, they are investments that will pay style dividends for years. At the halfway point, we have tip number 5. Learn to cook gourmet meals. Imagine coming home to the aroma of truffle-infused risotto or handmade pasta with saffron sauce. Sounds like a fancy restaurant, right? But it could be your kitchen. High-quality ingredients and a willingness to experiment can turn your dining area into a 5-star experience. Invest in some good cookbooks or follow chefs online to get inspired. Your palate will thank you, and so will your wallet. Tip number 6 is a game changer. Utilize subscription services. Monthly subscriptions can be like little presents to yourself. And who doesn't love gifts? But I'm not talking just any subscriptions. Look for services that cater to luxury tastes. Premium grooming kits, gourmet food packages, even wine clubs. The key is to subscribe to services that replace or upgrade what you'd normally buy. Coming in at number 7. A dream for many. Travel smart. Craving the salt and sun of Santorini or the chic elegance of Paris? It's all within reach if you play your cards right. Off-season travel, last-minute deals and loyalty programs are your best friends here. Luxury hotels often offer significant discounts in the low season, and using credit card points wisely can cut down flight costs like a charm. Tip number 8. Network, network, network. No man is an island, and neither is a luxurious person. Networking doesn't just boost your career, it opens the door to exclusive events, private viewings and even travel opportunities. And hey, networking doesn't have to be boring. Pick events that interest you, whether it's a wine tasting, an art gallery opening or a charity gala. These experiences add not just contacts, but layers to your luxurious lifestyle. Almost there. Tip number 9. Be your best self. Confidence is the best accessory you can wear. Investing in yourself is the most luxurious thing you can do. Take that weekend course, sign up for the gym, or read books that enrich your soul and mind. When you grow, everything around you seems to elevate in quality as well. Personal growth is the ultimate luxury. And guess what? It's priceless. Finally, tip number 10. A golden rule. Less is more. Marie Kondo had it right. Sometimes decluttering is the first step to luxury. When you keep only what sparks joy, you cherish it more. Instead of a wardrobe full of meh, imagine one with just your favorite outfits. Instead of rooms filled with stuff, picture spaces that breathe peace and tranquility. Luxury isn't excess. It's quality. Choose less and choose wisely. That's a wrap, my friends. 10 tips to take you from everyday to extraordinary without draining your bank account. If you've picked up even one tip to make your life more luxurious, hit that like button and share this video with your fellow luxury lovers. We're a community after all. Don't forget to subscribe for your weekly dose of lavish living. Until next time, keep it luxurious. See you in the next video.